The GMC Sierra Multi-Pro tailgate is known for triggering false open alerts on the dashboard. This happens even when the tailgate is completely shut and secured. When this fault triggers, it automatically disables your rearview camera and bed lighting. You lose access to these important safety features over a simple sensor glitch. The main cause of this problem is found inside the tailgate latch assembly. Moisture and debris easily enter the connector housing over time. This creates corrosion on the copper wiring pins. The corroded pins cause high resistance or short circuits that interrupt the sensor communication. The truck's computer reads this bad signal and assumes the tailgate is physically open. You do not need to replace the entire wiring harness to solve this issue. The wiring itself is usually fine, and only the connection point needs attention. A quick bypass and cleaning will restore your electronics. Open the inner tailgate to access the internal plastic panels. Carefully remove the retention clips and pull back the liner. This will expose the electrical connectors for the latch mechanism. Locate the primary signal wire that sends the latch position data to the control module. Disconnect the harness and inspect the pins for green or white powdery residue. Use a high-quality electrical contact cleaner to spray away the oxidation. A small wire brush or pick can be used gently on heavily corroded spots. You need to see shiny metal to ensure the electrical current flows smoothly. Once the pins are completely clean and dry, apply a thick layer of dielectric grease. This silicone paste does not conduct electricity, but creates a total waterproof seal. It locks out future moisture and permanently stops the corrosion process. Push the connector back together until it clicks securely. If the sensor is completely ruined, you can isolate the signal wire directly. Connecting this specific wire to a solid ground tricks the computer into reading a closed tailgate. This is an effective bypass that immediately restores your backup camera. It saves you from buying expensive replacement parts. Turn the ignition on and verify that the dashboard warnings are gone. Shift into reverse to make sure your rearview camera activates instantly. Reinstall the plastic access panels and push all clips firmly into place. This 2-minute repair keeps your truck fully functional and saves you a trip to the dealership.